Good evening, Phoebe.
Good evening, Madhubhasnaka. Good evening, Sibi.
Good evening, Madhubhashniyaka. Good evening, Sibi.
No, he must. Mohit, the second PPT is not required to send it to sir. We can do it ourselves, okay? Sir
Okay,
said,
ma'am.
yeah.
Sit down. Okay, promise everybody. Get up. Brand Ashur. To my parents, to my teachers, to myself, to God, and to the person who was with this institution. That whatever I learned in this session will be put into practice immediately. I understand and I realize that this training is not only for my school and college life, but also for my entire life. The tools, techniques, therapies I learned. Coming class. Will be continued and practiced on regular basis. Fight is my right. I fight my pride. I can. Because I always believe I can. It's never a sad day. It's always character building. I promise.
Good evening,
Good evening,
good evening,
Sanjayana.
Good
Good
evening,
evening, Ashwatthama.
Good evening, Sanjayana. Good
Good
evening,
evening,
Ashwathaman.
Okay, so Team CP Assistance member Brinda is in online format today. And put it ready. One. Give it back. அப்படி பாரு.
சார் நேத்து தான் சார் நீங்க நைட் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா இனிமேல் வந்து போகவே பட மாட்டேன் கிளாஸ்ல ஒருத்தர் அமைதியா இருக்கும்.
அதெல்லாம் வாய்ப்பே இல்லை ராஜா. கேமரா தெரியும் உள்ள இருக்கோ. உனக்கு எதுக்கு மைனஸ் கொடுத்தேன்? உனக்கு எதுக்கு மைனஸ் கொடுத்தேன்? Sir, yesterday you have treated her very seriously and have advised very sternly. As a result of that, she has not spoken even a single word to me. And in order to make me tense, she watched a serial from 8:30 to 12 o'clock, just to make me hurt. It's a kind of retaliation. I'm really sorry that I'm troubling you every day by giving up the complaints about her, but what to do, sir? She is listening only to you in this world. Can you do something? Sorry for the troubles. At the second addition, உனக்கு மைனஸ் இன்டெஃபினட்டா எந்த காரணமும் கேட்காம இப்படி ஒரு மெசேஜ் அவர்கிட்ட இருந்து பார்த்த உடனே அடுத்த செகண்டே மைனஸ் போட்டாச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் 4:40 ஒரு மெசேஜ். Sir, she has started behaving well, has agreed to obey the parents. She cleaned her bookshelf and made her room tidy. Sir, I think the step you have taken to punish the whole team for her misbehavior has really worked out and has made a deep impact in her mind. Thank you very much for this help, sir. இது 4:40 ஆரம்பிச்சு. நீ ஏதாவது சொல்ல ஆசைப்படுற? பார்க்கறதுக்கு டோரா புஜ்ஜிமா இருக்கு. உங்க அப்பா போய் இப்படி ரிட்டாலியேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க. அப்புறம் ரிட்டாலியேட் பண்ணதெல்லாம் எனக்கு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க. நீ என்ன இன்டென்ஷன்ல இருக்க? நீ நல்லவளா கெட்டவளா இல்ல உனக்கு ஏதாவது பைத்தியம் கீத்தியம் பிடிச்சி வச்சா அப்படின்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. மறுபடியும் ஒரு தடவை ஒத்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டை வச்சுக்கிட்டு 1 மணி நேரத்தை நான் வந்து வீணடிக்க ஆசைப்படுறேன். வாழ்க்கையிலேயே முதல் தடவை ஒரு பேரண்ட் வந்துட்டு இன்னொரு தேர்ட் பர்சன் கிட்ட தான் பொண்ணை பத்தி செய்யற ஒவ்வொரு விஷயத்தையும் கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிற அந்த பெருமையை வந்து உனக்குதான் சரி. ஏன் அவரை போட்டு இந்த பாடுபடுத்துது? உங்க அம்மாவுக்கும் உனக்கும் பிரச்சனை இருக்கு, சரி அது லேடி ஸ்டாக், எனக்கு அது தேவையில்லை. இவர் ஏன் இந்த பாடுபடுத்துறாரு? அவர் 10 மணிக்கு கூப்பிட்டு என் பொண்ணு வரமாட்டா அப்படின்றாரு. 11 மணிக்கு கூப்பிட்டு என் பொண்ணை பார்த்தா பாவமா இருக்குன்றாரு. 12 மணிக்கு கூப்பிட்டு என் பொண்ணு ஏதாவது நான் யோசிக்கிற மாதிரி எதிர்பார்க்கிற மாதிரி பண்ணனா வேணா நான் அனுப்புறேன் அப்படின்றாரு. 1 மணிக்கு கூப்பிட்டு இல்லையா பொண்ணு டைரக்ட் கிளாஸ் வருவாங்க. மொத்தத்துல அவரும் ஸ்ட்ரிக்டா இல்லை, நீயும் வந்துட்டு அதை அட்வான்டேஜ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு ஏகப்பட்ட வேலைத்தனத்தை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க. அது என்ன அப்படி ஒரு வீண்டு அவருக்கு நீ பேசவே இல்லையா? என்ன ப்ரூவ் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ற? அப்ப நாளைக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஒர்க்ல இருந்த அப்படின்னா ஒர்க்ல ஏதாவது ஒரு பிரச்சனை அப்படின்னு சொன்னா ஒர்க்ல இருக்கிற யாருக்கிட்டையும் பேச முடியாது. பிசினஸ் ஏதாவது ஒன்று ஆரம்பிச்சா அப்படின்னா பிசினஸ் லாஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா போங்க உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் நீங்க பேச மாட்டேன் அப்படின்னு போயிருங்க. பிசினஸ் சரியாயிடும். நான் கோவப்படக்கூடாதுன்னு நேற்று சொன்னேன், சொன்னது கருத்து. இப்ப நான் சிரிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன், பைத்தியக்காரனால லாஃபிங் தெரப்பி. கல்வித்த ஆங்கர் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு எங்களுக்கு எப்போ சொல்லி தருகிறாரு கேட்டுச்சு. நான் இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துட்டு நானே ஆங்கர் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் பத்தி பேசுறேன். குருபிரசன் எனக்கு சர்டிபிகேட் வேற கொடுத்தாங்க. டீமுக்கு வந்துட்டு மைனஸ் கொடுக்குறதுன்னு தெரிஞ்ச உடனே அடுத்த செகண்ட் நல்லபடி ஆகிட்டீங்கன்னா அப்ப அது எப்பேற்பட்ட ரசம், எப்பேற்பட்ட நடிகர். நேர்த்திதான பாராட்டினேன், எல்லாம் நல்லா பண்றீங்க. எனக்கு அவங்களோட சேர்ந்தியோ அண்ணன் பையனா அவன் அப்பன மாதிரி ஒண்ணு அப்பலாம் அழுகு வைக்கலாம். அழுகு வைக்கிறது எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸி. எங்க அம்மா சொல்லுவாங்க, மித்ராவோட அம்மாவும் சொல்லுவாங்க, அழுகு வைக்கிறது நீ ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் இல்லை. இந்த கூட சொன்னாங்க, மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணிட்டு வந்து கண்ணு செவந்திருக்கு அழுதிங்களான்னு இந்த பக்கி கேட்டுச்சு. உடனே அவங்க அம்மா கிட்ட ஒரு ரிப்ளை, அவருக்கு அழுகு வச்சுதான் பழக்கம், அழுது பழக்கம். நான் எதுவுமே முட்டிச்சு ஆகுது. என்னை எல்லாருமே இப்படியே பார்த்து பார்த்து என்ன ஒரு மாதிரி ஆக்கிட்டீங்க. என்ன நல்லவனா பாக்குறதுக்கு யாராவது ஒரு நாள்
சார் மீ சார்.
தேங்க்யூ
சார். கடவுளை வந்து கரெக்டா பார்க்க மாட்டாங்க சார் யாருமே. முன்னாடி இருக்கிற சைடு வந்து அப்படிதான் சார் இருக்கும். எவ்வளவு தெரியும் சார்.
சரிடா 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 சரிடா. ஓகேடா ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ. ஜோக் சொல்றா எவ்வளவு மைனஸ் கொடுக்கலாம்? சிஆர் டீமுக்கு வந்து மைனஸ் நான் எடுத்துறேன். ஏன்னா அரும்பாடுபட்டு அந்த கல்பித்தா பாலாஜி நேற்று அவ்வளவு பாடுபட்டு பண்ணாங்க. அவரோட இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் காமிக்கிறா. இது வந்து விட்டு தரலாம் முடிஞ்சு நீ நேற்று நல்லா பண்ணா. அதனால டீமுக்கு நான் மைனஸ் கொடுக்கல. அதுவும் இல்லாம உங்க அப்பா மெசேஜ் சார் டீமுக்கு வேணாம் சார், இவன் பண்ண தப்புக்கு டீம் என்ன படிச்சுட்டு அவரும் சொல்லிட்டாரு பெரிய மனுஷன். அதனால டீம்
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
ஓகே. சிஆர்எஸ் உனக்கு எவ்வளவு மைனஸ்? இல்ல நீ திங்க் பண்ணி எனக்கு சொல்லு. இவனுக்கு பிரசன்டேஷன் பெண்டிங் இருக்கு, அந்த ஃபார்ம் வேணும், டைம் ஆகும். நீ திங்க் பண்ணி எனக்கு சொல்லு. நீ எவ்வளவு சொல்றியோ அவ்வளவு நான் போறேன். ட்ரைனர்ஸ் கட்டுன்னு ஒண்ணு இருக்கும், நீ எவ்வளவு சொல்றியோ அது கூட ட்ரைனர்ஸ் கட்டு. எனக்கு உண்மையாவே கோபமா இருக்கு, ஆனா நான் சிரிக்கிறேன். நான் நடிகை நடிக்க தெரியும், ஆனா இப்ப இருக்கு கோபத்துக்கு நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல, அதனால நான் சிரிக்கப்ப நடிச்சிருக்கேன். ஸோ இதுக்கு மேல நான் கண்டினியூ பண்ண விரும்பல. அவன் அட்டகாசமா சாமி 7 நல்லா பண்ணாங்க, அதை அப்படியே கொண்டு போகிறோம். நீ என்ன பண்ற, 21 நிமிஷம் அவனுக்கு டைம். இவனுக்கு பிரசன்டேஷன் முடிச்ச பிறகு டப்புன்னு எனக்கு கூப்பிட்டு டபால்னு சொல்றேன், சார் எனக்கு இவ்வளவு சேரஸ் மைனஸ் கொடுங்க, நான் பண்ண தப்புக்காது அப்படின்னு. எம்எஸ்சி ஈவினிங் செஷன் ஜூரிஸ்டிக்ஷன் அதுதான், தான் தண்டனையே தானே குற்றவாளியே யோசிச்சு. சரியா, அவன் ஒட்டுற நன்றி கிட்ட வேணும் கேட்டு இனி ஒரு தடவை என் புள்ள மாடிக்கு போய் நின்று கமலை பிடிச்சி நின்றுக்கிறா, என் புள்ள வந்துட்டு துணிகாய ஆடிட்டு இருக்கிறா, என் புள்ள டிவி ஆண்டு தொங்கிட்டு இந்த மாதிரி it dilutes the whole freaking atmosphere. கோபப்பட்டு நான் கத்தி நீங்க எல்லாம் அப்படியே ஏதோ இதனால அவன் அழுதான் பாரு, நீங்க அழுது அந்த வீடியோ பார்த்து எனக்கே கண்டாரு. அதை நான் வீடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன், நல்ல வேலை யூடியூப்ல போஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஐயோ இதை போய் நான் போஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன்ட்டு அப்புறம் போய் பப்ளிக் இருந்து ஒருத்தர் 3/4 மணி நேரம் திட்டு வாங்க உட்காந்து ஏன் பார்ப்போம், ஏன் கேட்குறீங்க, இது ரெக்கார்ட் ஆயிட்டு நான் சிரிக்கிறதுக்காக நான் சொன்னதுதான் மாற்றம் இருந்தது. நீங்க யோசிச்சு சஞ்சய் அஸ்வத்தாமன் தர்ஷன் இது வாங்க எப்பா பிரசன்டேஷன் பிரசன்டேஷன். ஆனா உள்ளதுலயே ரொம்ப பாவப்பட்ட ஜென்மம் யாரு தெரியுமா, மோஹித் தான். அலாரம் வச்சு தூங்கி எந்திரிச்சு அடுத்தவங்க திட்டு வாங்குறத பாத்துட்டு இருக்கிறதுக்குன்னே எம்எஸ்சி செஷன்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஐ சாரி மோஹித்.
Sir, no problem.
உன் பேரு இதுல வராம பாத்துக்க. Just ensure that you are not into this roster of getting brutally blasted. And I know you won't. இல்ல, change of plans. நீங்க 4 பேரும் இப்படி பார்த்து உட்கார்ந்தீங்க, இவங்க இப்படி கேமரா பார்த்து பிரசன்ட் பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கும் வியூ இருக்கும், கேமராவுக்கும் வியூ இருக்கும். So, அப்படியே come on. Get ready, boys and girls. Now they have finished up almost about 7 minutes of their presentation, 7 minutes and 40 seconds of their presentation. And now they're going to continue the rest. That's the time, please. You're not starting from the beginning. You're resuming.
Yes, sir. Resuming. That's what.
Very good. So, Ritan, Mohit, Guru Prasanna, ready?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Yes, sir. Are you presenting?
Yeah, 21 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in your time.
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
So let me give a quick recap of what we saw yesterday. Yesterday we discussed about the history of our organization health. Today my friend Mohit will continue and he will tell us some of the important events related to our timeline. Over to you, Mohit.
Thank you, Dr. Anna. So today I will be discussing about our timeline. So I'll start from the beginning. In 1968, on January 18, a group of students, as you already know, from Vidya Glory College, created help to help people that are not able to help themselves. After that, on March 22nd, 1990, the organization Help started to have a campaign to raise 5 lakh rupees. On March 27, 1990, few days after Help lawyers registered a case against Atlanta's football team at the CAS for at the CAS for racism against the 5 players of African intensity. Continued by the next person.
I'll call upon Guru Prasanna to give a quick recap of whatever we did in 1990.
Thank you. Happy evening to one and all present here. In the conference, myself and my team are going to tell the very important problems that came to our organization and the solutions which we gave at the time. It was very interesting. We are going to share that today. The first problem is uh, legal aid to 5 football players of Black Africans because they were treated unequally by a football club called Santa. This was one of the greatest case that we ever solved in our organization. And the second one is a person who dislocated his shoulder and he was in need of 5 lakh rupees to the operation. We helped him also. And the third one was we help a group of college people who suffered to know basic knowledge. These are the three very big problems which came to our organization. Let's see what are the solutions one by one.
Now Guru gave a recap of all the problems which we solved. And now let's take a look at the first problem. This was a poster that we created in order to raise awareness. Sanjana will explain more about this.
Thank you, Darshan. So on 22nd March, we came to know about a person called Ram Kumar Keshav, who was a worker in a factory called Sinha and Maldini factory, Maldini Corporations. So he was 22 years old. He was 22 years old, and he has been forced to work for a long time above the normal time by his co-owner called a person called Maldini, and we came up with an idea called HSC, stands for Health Campaign. Excuse me, Health for Health Campaign. So the main motto of that campaign is to raise the fee for Ram Kumar Keshav, surgery fee for Ram Kumar Keshav, and we also decided to file a case against Maldini for his malpractices and continue.
Yeah, so this was our exact poster which we posted in 1990. And we had 18 HELP collection joints where people came and donated some money because the owner of this particular enterprises, he absolutely exploited him. He made him work for extra hours and he did not give him the payment. So 1990, some Italians were coming in India and making businesses. So they made use of some poor Indian laborers and they exploited them by giving them less money. Now I show you a video clip where the owner of this particular company, it is based in 1990, he answers some media questions irresponsibly. Let's see that video clip. Mohit will play the video.
3, 2, 1, go. Hello, Mr. Maldini.
Hello, good morning. Sit down.
Mr. Maldini.
Go ahead.
Mr. Maldini, we have heard that Ram Kumar Keshav, a worker in your company, has got hurt. Will you pay for his surgery?
Look, man, we feel very bad for that kid. He's just 22 years old, but what can we do? He carelessly went and he dislocated his shoulder. It was not our company's fault. We can give them condolences and we can give them wishes and all, but we cannot pay them money, Yeah, one media person is raising his hand. Nitesh. Yes, Nitesh.
Yeah, hello, sir. I hope you me, sir, and we are from a new journalist. Just started, sir, and we are here to ask some questions, sir. And, I hope you can see everyone's faces, and everyone is really angry on you, sir. I hope you can
I don't
notice
care.
that, and
I don't care. Okay, go ahead, sorry.
this is really important, sir. So it's your company, sir. You just can't say it's not my problem. You just go for the next thing, sir. This is your problem, and Ramkumar Keshav has dislocated his left shoulder, and this is really your problem, sir, because he is your company, sir. And he is one of the most top worker who has not taken leave for most of the times, and we have really appreciated him in most of the places. And I really need to know why you are not mostly giving most important to him, and you have to give the money and at least 5 lakh rupees. You have to give that money, and he have to get his own that. It's really important.
Look, you don't know about that person. He's an alcoholic. Do you know that? Yes, it was not in the reports, but I'm saying he was an alcoholic. He always used to cause problems in the premises. You know about him? Why should we take care? And the day he was working, he was drunk. Did we ask him to drink? No, right? And why should we pay for him? He did things which we didn't even ask him to do. That is not my problem. You want to ask a question? Come on.
It is your responsibility to look after your workers, and how do you deliver perfect products using an alcoholic person?
Can you come again? I didn't understand.
It's your
My English is bad. Yeah, come
It is your responsibility to look after your employees and your company. So you are saying that you are delivering products which is made by an alcoholic person.
No. Wait. Did I say that? Yeah, I said. So what happened is, see, when he came inside, we thought he's a very good boy. But then because there's no interview for this kind of things. But then slowly he started to drink and come at night, and he started to cause lots of havoc. He punched me in my face. He did a lot of things. So that is why we are not able to, Why should we take responsibility? We were going to fire him, but before that he dislocated his shoulder. That is. Yeah.
So, sir, I have two questions, sir. First thing, don't you think this is a loss for your company? And the second question is, what proof do you have that you're not responsible for his shoulder dislocation?
We don't have to prove anything. If someone come and ask us, only you media people are troubling us. It's his problem, he has to take care. There's some organization called Help or something, they're helping him, let them help. Why should we come in? And anyway, we were going to fire him because he was causing a lot of havoc in the company, He was troubling us a lot.
Yes, so don't you think it's a loss for your company?
We have 100 other workers, man. This kid is just 22 years old. We have more experienced people and all. We don't care.
Okay, there's another hand. I think Guru is asking.
Yes. Prasanna. Yeah. Yes, Prasanna. Nice name, man.
No?
Yes, Prasanna, go ahead.
Yes, no. Sir, how do you think that you are not responsible for his problem? And the second question which I was willing to ask is, why can't you donate 5 lakh for his surgery?
Why should we donate? Do you think 5 lakh is very easy? Yes, it's easy, but we cannot do something where we are in.
That's very easy for you because you are a smuggler and you have been doing all the illegal affairs and all that.
What is your name?
Peter Robinson.
Wait, don't believe whatever he says.
Ministry of External Affairs, and I belong to Indian government, and they have asked me to monitor you. 5 lakhs, you just mentioned it yourself. 5 lakhs is a very easy bunch of money for you because you've been, amalgamating yourself into this, engulfing into all these illegal activities, and getting the money was quite easy for you. And with that level of effortless way of earning the money, you could have saved that guy who got his shoulder unfortunately dislocated. And you want us. So I can for this mere statement I can put a bullet on your head. Okay, right? So you said, I want. There is a state called as Tamil Nadu.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful. 1,24,000 crores of corruption has been happening in the ruling government itself. Okay, her name was Kaniguri. Right? So if you are able to pay that money to the Tamil Nadu government, then we will be expending 1,24,000 crores Indian revenue. Can you? That's what I want. Because I work for the government. The government wants that. Okay? Peter Robinson is just an arrow. Government is the bow. So I need that 1,24,000 crores.
I am cancelling this press conference. You people are trying to.
Come on, I mean, be sensible, man. You are speaking so much because a person's shoulder getting dislocated is not a very serious issue for you. And our state is also handicapped, just like the person who got victimized because of you. So you want
Because of me?
Yeah, I'll pick you up for this. And I got all of
I'm
this.
leaving. Bodyguards, come on, let's leave. Bye, I'm not answering.
Bodyguards, okay? Bodyguards.
That is how I speak in my phone.
Alright, get last one. Get
Come
last
on, come on. I cancelled this press conference. Bring the case on you. What do you want?
Sir, before that, sir, one of our most important investigators, sir, his name is Mohit, sir, and he's willing to ask his own questions, sir.
What is it? What you are embarrassing me in front of the public? Come on,
Yes.
ask.
Mr. Maldini, you call Mr. Keshav an alcoholic. So why do you hire an alcoholic person and get him injured and not pay for his injury?
No, we didn't know he was alcoholic. Then he came, suddenly he came and he started drinking. I don't know why. You have to ask that person in the hospital. Go and ask. I'm going. Bye. So freeze. Now let's, this was what happened and this is what happened. And you can see in this particular slide how irresponsibly this guy has answered and look how old he is. So this is his picture and he was like 62 or something when this picture was taken and he was exploiting all the employees. Now let's go to the next slide. Actually we dealt with this problem and he was behind the bars and we raised 5 lakh rupees and then he paid the compensation to the family of that particular person as a part of his fall. And now let's go to the next problem. And Ashwathaman will start off explaining about what this problem is all about. This was the second problem which we solved.
As a smart way of dealing the other problem.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
So thank you. Now, so in this problem, five people who are expert in football and have many skills the lawyer has said a lie towards everyone that they are not. It's not because they are race. They are not black, but they are not skillful like that. They said lie, but the true reason was it was racism. What they did was they mentioned his color black, and then said that he was not skillful like that, and trying to take him off his team. So some lawyers will come and interrogate them. So this is what is going to happen.
So now we are going to show you a trial sequence where in the Court of Arbitration for Sport, which is the supreme most court which governs everything related to sports, and our legal team is going to have a legal battle against Atlanta FC. So we'll go to the next slide and we'll come back to this one. Mohit, go to the next slide. Then after this, we'll go back to the previous slide. Okay. So please, now what we are going to do is Sanjay Anna and Mohit will be playing the two judges. Myself and Ashwathaman will be the lawyers from Health legal team, and Guru Prasanna and Ritanitish will be the lawyers from Atlanta FC. So now let's see how things unfold.
And have a look at the time also.
Yes, sir.
40 minutes.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go. Greetings, Your Honor. Greetings, everybody.
So, yeah, you have accused Atlanta FC for their racism, and how do you?
So they release fake reports, sir. Actually, after every trial in a football club, we have a scouting report, sir, which mentions all the talents or the skills and the weaknesses of each and every player. Actually, we have the original document with us. We'll show it a bit later. But they have ransacked those particular documents and they have brought up fake documents stating that those players are not good enough. We also have we have an eyewitness over here from their particular team when they were children. So he will also explain about it.
I have some restrictions in explaining, but if you are asking me a question, I will be very privileged to answer. What are all the proofs that you would like to have? Because if you are questioning me properly, I think I'll have to speak, because I'll have to speak in favor of the Human Rights Commission as well, because this racism thing is always entangled with Human Rights Commission. So I will limit myself to answer the questions that you are asking.
When it happened, and what do you think how do you think they are showing racism towards Afghan?
So the Federation, right from the establishment and right from its invocation, the Federation has always been one-sided, prejudiced, and sometimes it has always been having its own issues, bunched up into individualistic things. And I have also tried to register a case against the Federation, and I got into trouble. They penalized me, they cut down my salary and all that. And besides being victimized, I again had an attorney. I spent all of my savings and I hired an attorney, and that attorney was kidnapped. So lots of other illegal activities. Just to prove a point that racism is happening in the Federation, I have lost so many things. The only thing that is intact with me is my family. And I was also designated to refer the files of the players. So I had been issued with the files and profile of the players. The players had astounding records. They were really capable to get into the Federation, and they were really capable to get into the team, which should be playing on the lawn. But these people came up with last minute kind of manipulations, and they sent all the players out.
What is your
Objection, Your Honor. So, I would like to speak one thing. So, actually, they're actually lying to you. So, he didn't discriminate everyone with their own skin color. They didn't actually play really good. We tried all of our best, and they were actually good at playing this game, and that's why we didn't take them immediately.
Noted.
So can you go to the previous slide? So we have the original report. You can see what the report says and compare it with the fake report which these people have submitted to you.
No, I swear to God that I had been referring only the original documents and profile of the people. And this is.
We have the 5 names. Look, so you can see Brad Graney, the first one.
Yeah, this pretty much, this guy, Craig Kingston, look at his strengths. Parents is blocks, aerial prowess and passing. Look at Drogba, strengths, aerial prowess, speed, eye for goal. So I wanted to submit a clear authenticity report about these two guys, and that report was immediately rejected because of the name of the race. And this seems to be the original document.
Yes, this is the original document. Our legal team got it.
And you look for yourself. You look for, take Sadio Mane. His composure, vision, and chance creation. So if you take, so you take dribbling from Brad, you take blocks from Craig, you take flexibility from Kurt, and you take aerial prowess from Didier, and you take, again, chance creation from Sadio Mane. Just imagine how the game would be if these 5 people are made up with a proper combination, and if they are driven into the ground, it will be a sure shot winning. But just because of the skin's color, the strength density has been evaluated.
So, Ratan, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, ask him the question, screw it more. Because once you screw it more, that guy will always scam it.
So, sir, I don't have any questions, sir, and I think my assistant Guru Prasanna is having few questions, sir, so I think he could just ask the questions. Come on, Guru.
Yes, Your Honor. These are the original reports, Your Honor. But we were having a lot of competitors in the test, Your Honor. So we are unable to take these 5, Your Honor.
This is a personal journal I keep in my office. You see, on the exact date, I have written all those people's names. See, I have written down the names that are in the report. So this is my personal journal. Not even my secretary takes this, not even my wife takes this, not even my lazy daughter takes this. But I keep this record personally. And if these people are claiming that I am giving false proofs, how is it like the same strengths and the same names are in the journal in the exact date?
And look at the criteria.
And you can do calligraphy test also. The ink is dry and the ink is exactly about 35 days old. So this is all the proof I have.
Thank you. So Mohit, what do you think?
Both sides make a pretty good judgment, but in order for Oak to win the case or Atlanta to win the case, I need to hear more from Atlanta's side.
No, Mohit, I don't think it would be necessary. Clearly, Health Commission done enough justification. So we file We are.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. And bottom line, before I leave, if there is a very big block hole in terms of this entire case, that is the attorney written in this. So you have to take care of this.
Thank you so much for supporting this.
Thank you. My pleasure. My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
So this is how we solve the second problem. Let's go to the last problem. And Mohit will be sharing one more PPT for this. So this is a document which we published about racism in 1990s. We did it on 21st May 1997. And these documents contain all the proofs and the evolution of racism since 1972. In the 1870s or something, Black Americans were given citizenship by United States of America, but still a lot of internal racism was going on despite all that. So we published this report, so you can also read it. We have published these articles as blogs, so you can read it. So let's go to the next PPT. Final one.
21 minutes, 55 elapsed.
Yes, sir. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Why is there an apostrophe in students? India suffers this big disease of always putting up an apostrophe immediately before the word or the letter yes. There shouldn't be any apostrophe there, college students.
Sorry, sir. So now Ashwatthama will explain about the problems which we solved. We had 5 problems and we could choose only 3 and we chose these 3 problems. Ashwatthama will explain.
So the problems that we chose are the ones who lacked the money to pay the college, and the person who had marks here, and the one who was forced to learn a particular subject, so that he did not want to go to the college. So these are the problems that we solved.
Next slide. Lack of money to pay for college. Guru Prashna will explain about how we solve this particular problem.
Thank you. The first one is lack of money to pay for college. We provided employment to the person who had the problem, and this way of providing a job may go for long way towards helping them and earn the money they are needed.
So now Ashwatthama will continue on this of our solution.
So how we could play is, earlier I mentioned about 2 people called Ashok and Harvard. So in the starting slide you can see 2 logos, which are MS News and the team called Snaps, and Harvard was one of the leader of team called Snaps, and Ashok was the head of the MS News. So they sponsored us this time, so that we could get money to give to the one who has no money, and we also thought in ways that we could make money like small jobs in here and there, and we also get more books, and some platform like social media we can also make money. So we thought these ways and are good ways so that we can make money.
Okay. Next slide. So the second problem we solved was mock fear. So it's called anoplophobia, and it has got some symptoms like increased heart rate, sweating, dizziness, shortness of breath, stomach ache, and all. So people who are very nervous before crowds, they get all these symptoms while they're making a presentation or when they're interacting with large number of people. So we have published certain solutions from our website, like regular exercise, healthy diet, in order to keep our mind fresh. At the same time, physically we have to be fresh as well, so that we don't have any problems, physical problems when we are addressing the crowd. Wait.
My connection was very
Very limited.